What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max here, and I am shooting 4K 60. Now, iPhone is probably the king of video when it comes to smartphone video cameras, and this is no exception. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has probably some of the best video cameras, but I'm going to give you a little sample so that you guys can understand what you're getting with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Oh, no, that's all right. That's all right. Focus takes a little time, but it's all right. It's all right. But, and with the 4K 60 on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can go with the wide. You could also hit them with that wide angle. You ready? Let me give you that wide angle. I'm trying to hit you with the wide. Oh, maybe not. You can go 2x zoom, you go 3x zoom, and then you can go wide. I'm trying to hit it so that it does. Let me see how close we can go in on something across. Let's go in here. Yeah, you can go pretty darn close. Go down the lake here, you go up to 6x zoom and then back out to 1x zoom. So that's pretty darn good. If you ask me. Let's go over here. Dogs are chilling over there. Here they come. They're hanging out, playing ball. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. This way. There they go. Yes, sir. So as you can see, let's get a little close up here on the trees. Let me know what you guys think of that. Yeah, see that? That's some good 4K footage right there. Huh? That's some nice 4K footage. I'm actually gonna take a picture of that. And then, you know, we gotta hit them with the bark action. Focus a little bit of us doesn't focus right away. Not sure what's going on there. Oh, maybe because I got the focus lock on it. I'm not sure. But yeah, you got some pretty good stuff. Now you could do wide angle, ultra wide on the 4K 60, but I believe you have to start the recording with it. So make sure that you started with it, because I don't see a way to do it while you're doing the video, but I could be wrong. Drop in the comments. I'm always willing to learn something, but I'm gonna do a little walking to talking. See if you can come over here, check out the little tree. And like I said, this is 4K 60. There you go. Yeah, and I'm shooting into the sun, so that was pretty good. Now the sun behind me. Focus in on the flowers. Focus in on the background. That's it. Good to go. That's gonna do it, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell like you just heard right there. And but yeah, this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max 4K 60 video. I'm out of here. Peace.